Welcome back. In today's lesson, we're focusing on our inner thighs, a part of the body that holds deep themes of vulnerability, of intimacy, and self-acceptance. Energetically, the inner thighs represent our gateway, the place where power meets vulnerability. It's a sacred boundary between yourself and between others. So where do you draw the line? Is it in balance or not? This part of the body, it's asking yourself, what part of myself do I hide? When do I hide it? And why? Here, the body really wrestles with trust versus invasion, with our safety, with being seen, being exposed, and longing for that love, that affection and attention without needing to perform. Now, the core emotions that are stuck here are shame, fear of rejection. What will happen when we let ourselves truly be seen? When this area is blocked, it might lead to disconnection from yourself, from others, by building those high walls up around you. By emotional collapse when intimacy arises, not wanting to be vulnerable, avoidance of that closeness, vulnerability, we don't want to show it off. No self-acceptance, so why would others accept us? And pleasing, also to not let you see the vulnerability. And the coping strategies we develop to stay safe can look like the following: by fawning, by over-attunement for others, by emotional withdrawal and self-suppression, by avoiding intimacy or receiving care, by the shame of your own needs and your own desires, by feeling that they may be too much. And people often tend here to feel guilty about saying no. The struggle to receive the love or attention, because the boundary setting, suppress their own needs, the fear of being too much or too sensitive for others, the feeling they need to earn their connection, their relationships. And they stay in relationships not only by their own desire, but by the duty. They have to earn it. You might recognize thoughts like, if I just stay pleasant, they will stay close to me. It's better to stay quiet than risk the rejection. I need too much, I will scare people away from me. If someone sees real me, they will leave. These beliefs live not just in our minds, but also in our bodies. So this area is quietly saying to you, can I let someone in without losing myself? And the need of your body here is to rebuild your trust with yourself first of all, but also with the others. For setting your boundaries, the more balancing between yourself and between others, between the power and the vulnerability. The feeling of safety. Because we all know that we are safe, but you really have to feel it in your body to go through it and to restore the balance of safety, the boundaries, and your own consent. If this brought up something for you, I'd love to hear it from you. Let me know in the comments where you are holding tension or which part you would like more clarity on. And tell me, what topic or body area should we explore in the next video? Thank you for being here with me, and I will see you soon. Bye.